Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your previous phone onto your HONOR Magic8 Lite. To do it, you will need to go to the app that's called, it's going to be somewhere here, Device Clone, as you can see right here. Then get your old phone ready as well, and it can be also done during the setup. So during the setup you will be asked if you want to copy data from the previous device, but you can also do it after setup. So that's how I'm going to show you that. Let's allow everything so it can transfer without any issues. And now select whether the old device is HONOR, Android, or Apple. I will transfer from another Android device, which is not a HONOR. Then I'll scan the QR code. It will open the Google Play Store and let me download Device Clone from HONOR. Now let's get them next to each other and open that one. Now I'll click on next here. I'll agree, select this is the old device, allow all the permissions so it doesn't have any issues while cloning. Then allow access to manage all files as well. And now let's scan the QR code shown right here. As you can see, it is already connecting. It'll take just a little moment. I'll turn the brightness down a little bit. Now I'll need to connect to this network. I'll need to just select it. And as you can see, I can select what data to clone. I don't have any contacts or music, so I can't select that. I'll just do gallery and apps. Let's tap on transfer. And now let's wait several minutes until it transfers. As you can see, it is going simultaneously on both phones. So I'll just be back in a little moment. Okay, it has done all of that. So on this phone, I can click on OK. And also it is worth, once it's all done, it is worth checking if actually your data was copied. So just quickly going to the photo library, seeing if all the photos were copied, your contacts, your music, your messages and everything. And that way you'll know whether everything's copied or not. And if not, then you can fix that by copying again or just sending manually. Now I'll click on finish right here. And it is there. I got a lot of bloatware from this phone. But also I got other gallery photos, so that is also quite good. As we can see, it is there. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.